What if you could chat with a powerful AI right from your WhatsApp? Now you can. OpenAI's ChatGPT is now seamlessly integrated into WhatsApp, making AI conversations easier than ever. No need for extra apps or websites, just scan a QR code and start chatting instantly. Ensure you're talking to the real ChatGPT by looking for the blue verification badge and the number 1-800-242-8478. Once verified, type your questions or requests and ChatGPT responds almost instantly, just like chatting with a friend. From answering specific questions to helping with writing, ChatGPT is there to assist you on WhatsApp. While the integration is free, remember there are daily message limits and you can't link your paid ChatGPT Plus account. The WhatsApp version uses the GPT-4o mini model, ensuring efficient and accurate interactions. Despite being slightly scaled down, this version is perfect for casual users and those experimenting with AI tools. Experience the convenience of having a powerful AI in your daily chat app. Dive into the future of communication with ChatGPT on WhatsApp.